Well, it's pretty easy to spot really anywhere around the valley. People selling food from stands on the side of the road or handing out random drinks downtown.
So is any of this even safe to buy? In a lot of cases, the answer is no. 8 News Now reporter Sasha Loftus digs into some of our community's concerns with illegal food vendors.
You've probably seen cars lined up near your house or by a busy shopping center. People all waiting to buy food from makeshift stands. Now, as it turns out, a lot of it isn't regulated at all and could really put your health at risk.
Wash, rinse, and sanitize.
Scouring every surface.
Sanitizers, rinse it, spin it.
All for the sake of safety.
You want to make sure you're not going to get anyone sick.
Nicholas Geary is completely committed to run his food business the right way.
Because it's dairy, you want to make sure this is getting clean so there is no infection.
He travels around the valley with his Treasure Iceland truck to serve frozen treats.
And tell you when you get approved.
All while proudly posting an A rating from the Southern Nevada Health District.
Our upfront cost, it's mainly the license and insurance and somebody that will just cut through that and set up randomly somewhere to just sell food.
But Health District Food Operations Manager Larry Rogers says a lot of vendors aren't quite as cautious.
It's pretty much widespread across the valley. We do see illegal vendors on the strip. The typical thing is selling water on the bridges and on the strip for the tourists.
In fact, his team saw about 300 reports of illegal food sales all across the valley last year.
It's been pretty consistent throughout the years. We do make some impact with it, but as soon as we shut one person down, another person takes their place.
These include makeshift roadside stands and some random sales along the strip.
Sometimes those bottles are pulled out of trash cans, refilled in dirty bathtubs.
Rogers tells me anytime you eat unregulated food, it poses a real health risk.
Where you definitely increase your risk of getting a foodborne illness.
The Southern Nevada Health District reported just over 500 foodborne illnesses across Clark County last year. That's an 18% jump from the 428 cases in 2017. These aren't all linked to unlicensed products, but asking questions before you buy really increases your safety chances.
They can ask the vendor if they're permitted. They can either ask for the business license. Many times they'll have what we call a grade card.
And if things don't look legit, simply buy somewhere else.
So you can tell all those people, you know, maybe they just pop up a tent like this to try to just make some money on the corner, and sometimes you can feel unfair.
So your hard-earned cash can support a licensed local company like Geary's.
Just want to make sure, you know, everybody is safe when we're serving food, and even if it's low-risk food that we're serving, that we provide, that's for sure the main concern out there.
As he demonstrates his devotion to ice cream on the road.
Even if it costs us more to maintain those type of product, that's so important that we don't joke with that.
And the hard work and happiness that come along with it.
That's always great, you know, birthday party, you see those people, the kids smiling at you because you're there, that's just great.
Now, Southern Nevada Health District officials say it's tough to track down illegal food sales because people are constantly moving to different locations. If you see anyone who appears to be selling food without a permit, you can call their complaint line at 702-759-1110. They'll investigate the situation and confiscate that food if it's not properly licensed. Sasha Loftus, 8 News Now.